With the upcoming engineering finals, these girls have decided that they are going to study. They begin their search on the IESB first floor. Upon approach to the first study room, they see that it is being used, so they make the decision to search the second floor for an available room. After walking up the first flight of stairs, they check the closest study room. As they approach the study room and see the lights on, they know that it is also being used. Now, as frustration builds, they move on to the next study room. But to no avail, this study room is also being used, so they make their way up to the third floor. After already walking around 2 floors and taking a flight of stairs with the heavy backpacks on their back, they are starting to become tired and unmotivated to study. After painstakingly reaching the top of the stairs, they begin to move towards the study rooms. Upon reaching the study rooms, they see that they are also taken and lose all hope for studying for their engineering final. Walking around looking for study rooms takes on average 2 to 3 minutes per floor. If you are not lucky to find one on the first or second floor, it could very well take up to 6 to 8 minutes of walking just to learn that there are no rooms available. But we have made the solution for that, called the Smart Study Room, a system designed to help students learn the status of study rooms to help them with their study efficiency and keep studying motivation high. Now, let's redo this scenario as if the Smart Study Room was implemented. As these girls entered, they looked towards the readily accessible screen showing the current status of study rooms in the IASB. After seeing that a room is available, they begin to make their way towards it. After making it up the flight of stairs with ample energy from not having to search the first floor, they make it to the room and walk straight in. Upon entering the room, a motion sensor is then triggered, prompting the first question on a Bluetooth-connected electronic device in the room. The first question being, how long do you plan to study for? After picking up the device and answering this question, you are prompted with another being, would you be okay with others joining? If you answer yes, then you get one more question asking what subject you are studying. If you answer no, then the results of the questionnaire are immediately sent to the screen in the lobby as to show the room is now being reserved. Now you are free to study because not only did you find a room faster and more efficiently, you're not worn out from the journey. As your allotted time nears zero, you are given two choices. You can either finish up and leave the room or answer the prompted question when the time hits zero. This question is, are you still studying? If you answer yes, you are allowed to extend your time, or if you answer no, or if no response is received within a minute, the screen in the lobby is immediately updated back to the room being available. But let's rewind this. What happens if you want to leave the room early? Well, the Smart Study Room has a solution for that. If you are leaving before the time you put in runs out, you can simply click the button that is on the door. This button instantly resets the status of the room for the next group to use. Now, because of our invention, the Smart Study Room, through the use of motion sensors, LCD screens, Bluetooth, and buttons, you can optimize your studying time. This leads to a more efficient time, as well as more motivation and more collaboration with fellow peers. The following disciplines were required for this project: electrical, to deal with the power and wiring of the sensors in Arduino; cyber, for the coding, mainly for the Bluetooth; and mechanical, for the construction of the test room and the mounting of the sensors on said test room.